Yo. Grasshopper pie. Ever heard of it? No? Me either. Well, not until about 3 or 4 years ago. And no, it does not involve bugs. It's a minty marshmallow pie with a bit of chocolate that's enjoyed in the northern part of the US. And I am making it in popsicle form just in time for summer. Welcome to my kitchen. What makes these perfect for summer is because it's got mint's cooling sensation, and then it's got chocolate's everything sensation, plus it's a cold treat because it's in popsicle form, which makes it perfect for hot days. Yes, please. And I know you've got summer to get back to, so let's get into these. Now I have 8 ounces of room temperature cream cheese that I'm going to add to an electric mixer. And you can use a hand mixer or some good old-fashioned elbow grease. And with this, I'm going to add a jar of marshmallow cream and beat these until they're nice and creamy. Now to this, I'm going to add a can of sweetened condensed milk, and this is going to add a rich creaminess as well as a little bit of sweetness. And we're just going to mix this to combined. Now add 1/4 cup of sugar and 2 shots of creme de menthe. You can substitute creme de menthe for mint extract, but the original pie recipes get their minty flavor from the creme de menthe. But if kids are involved, no big. You can just substitute for about a teaspoon of mint extract. We're just gonna mix this to combined. We're gonna add 1 to 2 cups of milk and mix this until it's all come together. We're gonna pour this mixture into popsicle molds. And then top this with crushed Oreos. And then these go into the freezer until completely frozen. Now actually, you can dip these in chocolate before serving. And then you just enjoy this deliciousness on a stick. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more, and comment below if you've ever had grasshopper pie or if you want to try these grasshopper pie popsicles. You can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.